everyone, Abdullah Sawah is speaking. Today I'm going to talk about Windows 10 notifications. Most of people complain that they got a lot of notifications during working with Windows 10. So today we will cover how can we disable or control these notifications in Windows 10. So first of all, let's see what is the notification in Windows 10. If you click on the start menu, you can find a lot of applications that running on the Windows, and also a lot of pop-up messages maybe appear here, especially once you're getting, for example, notification for the update for connecting to the Windows. If you enable, for example, a newsletter, so you can find a lot of news pop-up messages and alerts appear for you. So how can you control that? We can go to start and click type settings on the Windows. Okay, once you click settings, you will see Windows settings, and we can go to system, and in the system settings we can find the tab is called notification and actions. Click on notification and actions, you can find multiple tabs, and the notification actions, the first tab, it's a quick actions, which contains that you can add, remove, rearrange your quick actions directly in Action Center. So if you click on edit, you can find the notifications settings here. For example, I got this notification from the firewall on network protections to turn on Windows Firewall. So I can click on manage notifications, and it will give you the same window that you can from there to getting what is the notifications. So what is the benefit of using the quick actions? You can, for example, clear all notifications, then you will not getting any notifications for that. If I want more advanced notification control, you can go to the notifications tab, and you can see get notifications from apps and other senders. This means if there is any application installed in the Windows, or for example you enabled your email and you want to get notifications from people who send you emails, or for example sending you instant messaging, meetings, appointment, it will be appear. By default it's coming with on, it's by default enabled, and we have an option called to control times when you are when you do or you do not get notifications. Try Focus Assistant. I will show you the Focus Assistant later, but let's see the options that we can get under the notifications. So you can, for example, if you would like to stop or enable the VoIP calls on the lockdown screens, you can enable or disable. And as I said, by default all these options are enabled, so you can feel free to disable that what you want, or enable it. You can walk through which one of these options are convenient for your situation or not. For example, some of the people, they do not want to play a sound once they got notifications. They just want to get a pop-up message. So you can make it silent or not. And what if I want to control which applications that getting that sent a notification for me? You can see the list of the applications that you have, and you can easy to turn on or turn off these notifications. So for example, I don't want a notification from suggested notifications. I don't want any suggestion for the location, so I can stop or start it. Okay, if you click, for example, on the Microsoft Edge, you can also manage where you want to show the notification. For example, I wanted to show the notification panels. Okay, and also, for example, I want to show in Action Center. So you can decide. For example, I want just only to show me a notification panel, and you can see in the screen what this means. And also you can hide content. For example, if you don't want the content to appear once you locked the screen because maybe it's a sensitive data. For example, if you want to play the sound, you can do that. And also the priority of notifications in Action Center, you can put, for example, if I want any notification coming from the edge to be in the top, which means that it will be high priority, so I can confirm this one. If let's back please to focus assist settings. If you wanted to more focusing on your application and notifications, once you click on the focus assistant, it will move to the next window, which is focus assistant. So you can read the description, choose which notification you would like to see and hear, so you can stay focused, which means that you're focusing on something special for you. And by default, it's coming with default, which is off. And you can make a priority only, or you can alarm only. You can hide all the notifications, or you can, for example, as I did in the edge, I make it with high priority. And also in the focus assistant, you can manage the time and a lot of other options. For example, the time and the activities. Once this happened, if you want it to do not distribute you or focusing, you can turn it on or off. For example, when I'm duplicating my display, you can make, for example, alarm only. For example, if all of us are playing and we don't want anyone to distribute you, so you can once playing, you can disable or enable it. And in the end, you can show me a summary which I missed while focus assistant was on. And here, if you click on this, you have another options, for example, priority and alarms, which is the same. You can manage the same notification in a specific application. So you have the ability to manage your notifications. I hope that this video helping you right now to get better idea about the notifications and actions, and you can right now control what you want. And if you have any questions, you can write in comments. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, like, and share. And thanks for watching.